Alright fellas, so this is my X-Max. I'm about to turn this puppy on and get into some action here. I'm running the 2S LiPo. Let me put this right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'll connect these. Oh yeah. There's definitely some power going on there. Ooh, there she goes. This is the first run of the X-Max for me, man. Okay. So. Oh yeah, this thing is a beast.